Okay guys, so that was the last day of the workout, and let me say this, no games, none.
What's up everybody, welcome back to another video here on Chanel's channel. So as you guys can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we're gonna be trying out a new workout. So I did a clothing challenge and a lot of you guys really loved it and had a bunch of questions and recommendations and stuff like that, and someone in the comments recommended to try this Pamela Reif, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but let's just go with Pamela. Decided to try this Pamela workout. So the person that recommended me for this workout, can't remember her name, but she was so sweet. She gave me all the information I needed. I'll put it on the screen to go ahead and start the program and where I could find it and a little bit more about it. Very sweet person. So thank you, but I feel like you were really trying to kill me, to be honest. Okay, she gave me more details because I never really heard about her, and she told me to just go on her Instagram. She has all of them in her stories, so it will stay there, like not her stories, in her archive, so it will stay there and you can just pretty much check out the workout. So you'll hit the workout plans and then you keep scrolling and tap into the right and you'll see different workout plans here. So this one is at 30 minutes per day. I don't normally work out 30 minutes, I normally work out 45 minutes an hour. So you can do that option or do the 45 minutes per day option. That's the one I did. You also have beginner friendly, and that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is when I finish this intro, I'm going to show you guys my body measurements and everything prior to starting this workout, and then I'll show you the after effect. I'll also be talking about each day that I have worked out. I only did this workout for a week. Intense stuff. God knows, I don't know. I'll explain to you throughout the process, but every day I will go ahead and briefly talk about what challenges I had that day or what was amazing about the workout that day, and then go from there.
So tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight? Who's gonna...
Okay, so day one of the challenge, I pretty much set myself up for failure. I had no idea how intense this workout was, and I felt like it was more of a workout that pertains to certain body parts, not just like the whole overall body as far as cardio and stuff goes. And my dumb self went and did a 10 to 15 minute run around that time in my neighborhood before starting out this program. And like I said, this is a 45-minute plan that I decided to take. So the first 10 minutes wasn't too bad because it's more like a stretch and more like a relaxation to get into the workout. But I'll be honest, I could not complete any of the workouts that we did that day. It was intense, it was going, and it was just non-stop. Unlike Chloe Tang, she took breaks, but this lady was just non-stop. The only time she took a break was when we had to do the 20-minute workout, and that's the only time we did a break. You had to constantly keep looking at what she's doing in order to keep up with what she's doing. It was crazy, it was intense, and just oh, thank God, we have a rest. Okay, so for day two wasn't too bad because now I know how momentum and how she works. You just had to constantly keep looking at the screen to see what she was going to do next. That day I did not do any type of cardio. I pretty much let myself rest and start off this workout routine. Her routine reminds me a lot of HIIT workouts. If you guys know what HIIT workouts is, like high intensity workout, because she has no breaks in between. And with her, she doesn't talk at all. It's just silence and music. And you just have to keep up with what she's doing. You have to constantly look at the screen to figure out what she's going to be doing next. And that was, to me, really hard. I don't know how it works for you guys, but it's really hard for them to not tell me what I'm going to be doing next. Oh, another thing really quickly, as you guys can see in this second day, I was doing this workout so wrong. And the reason why is because, I don't know, like my brain wasn't processing what she was doing so fast, and like I had to constantly try to keep up, and I was doing such an awful job at these workouts. So it's sometimes really good to record yourself just to see what you're doing wrong, or just work out in front of a mirror if that's possible for you guys to do at your home, because I know at the gym is so much easier to do, but now that we have to work out from home is a little bit harder. So either record yourself or work out in front of a mirror so you can make sure and get whatever she's doing in the video, actually see yourself doing it and performing it and seeing how you do, because I was doing this completely wrong. It was a hot mess, but I still felt the burn. Okay, so the third day, my stomach, my abs, everything was sore. Like I don't know how I pushed through this third day, but at this point in time my sister joined me, so that was kind of like a motivation to keep going. On her second workout, which is a Jason Derulo workout, as you guys know, if you do listen to him, he has a lot of obscene in his music, and I personally did not like that she played that type of music while trying to work out. Some people prefer not listening to cursing, and as you guys can see walking by, there was my mom in the background. So it was kind of disrespectful, I will say, in a sense, for those who don't listen to music like that, to have that in a video and just blasting the cursing in there when you have parents and stuff working out in that area, or just in the area in general. I don't know, I took that offense to that one a bit, but that workout itself was intense because it's just non-stop cardio. Jason Derulo himself couldn't even work out this process. But besides that, everything was once again high intense. You have to keep going. Oh no, she's gonna decide. My sister and I had the hardest time keeping up with these workouts. It was like we were passing out on the ground. We couldn't get back up because it was on the ground, up, on the ground, up, left, right. It was just non-stop. So if you guys like these type of intense workouts, I do recommend this, but Lord have mercy, you really do build up a sweat during this. As you guys can see, my abs was looking good. We were wearing our waist trainers, so it targeted more of that area for us to sweat in, and I think overall it worked out perfectly.
touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight?
I'm by myself today because Bimini back right there. Ain't want to film. See? That's why you have to do it sometime.
Okay, so the last day, this one to me was the easiest, I think, because it was the home stretch for me. The first video was very intense because it was like a 20 minutes, but she gave you 2 breaks in this video. I don't know how. So overall with her workout, I do think it is targeted workout, targeted hit workout. So if you guys really need to lose some weight and burn fat, I do recommend her workout because you literally target every muscle in your body because you're constantly going up, down, legs, back, butt, hamstring. You're doing some of everything in all her workouts combined. I think she just recently came out with targeted workout plans if you want to do that as well. But overall her workouts was very intense. I only did it for 1 week. Would I do it again? I don't know, I can't really speak on that, but I think for people who want to lose weight, this is definitely the go-to plan, and you guys can tell by this video there are results that you do see. So it's a 7-week program that it is, but I only did it for 1 week. I'm not my thing, not really my thing. So this time I'm going to start lifting weights and try to build muscle, but once in a while probably incorporate her workouts. But overall, yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want this video to be too long. As you guys can see, it definitely did some results. If you guys do like these type of videos, thumbs it up. Let me know who else you want me to try down below. Please don't try to kill me, guys. But overall her plan did work. Did I change my diet in any type of way? No, not this time. I felt like with her workout I did a lot of weight, like hit workout, so I was losing a lot of weight, which I didn't really want to. So I ate regularly. I wouldn't eat like after 8:30 like normal, less sugar, normal. But overall I didn't really pay attention to what I was eating. I was just eating because I felt like doing these workouts, it allowed me to lose a lot of weight. So I didn't want to lose too much weight, but I wanted to build muscle and build up some abs. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another hundreds, thousands and millions of videos I'm making here on YouTube. Peace.
Touch you like I do.